Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to share information on screenshot blur settings. To access that, come up to the side menu. Under the settings and under the timer app, there comes an option for screenshot blur. Now this screen helps you to control whether the desktop application is capturing the screenshot should be seen as blur or no for the security and the privacy purpose. If you want these settings to be reflected on the global perspective and should be reflected for all of the organization members, you can do from here. Where we can see it is turned off here means that the screenshot which are being taken for all of the organization members are not going to be shown as blur. If you want to do the settings for the specific member name, you can select from here and then you can just toggle between on and off to have the settings disabled or enabled. The reflection of this setting is going to see on the screenshot which is available under the activity menu inside the Workstatus. This was all about the screenshot blur settings. Thank you.